For decades, power companies decided how much you should pay. But what if you could flip the script and slash 80% of your monthly electricity bill without solar panels, batteries, or technicians? Some homeowners are quietly running their homes on a device so small you could hide it under your study table. If this sounds impossible, stay with me for 30 seconds and you will understand how it works and why utility companies hate it. Meet the Energy Revolution System, a digital DIY system that claims to teach you how to build your own supplemental home electricity generator. It's not a pre-built machine, it's a step-by-step guide with diagrams, videos, and material lists you can download instantly after purchase. Instead of expensive solar panels or fuel-powered generators, this system promises a low-cost way to generate clean energy right at your home, just like it already does for 102,144 American families. In just $39 of one-time payment, you get detailed blueprints and materials lists so you know what to buy. Step-by-step instructions making it supposedly beginner-friendly. Potential to cut electricity bills by 50-80%. 60-day money-back guarantee so you can try it risk-free. You can find all the materials and spare parts at your local electronics shop, and you can do it yourself at home without any massive investment or technician. According to its product developer, the system uses principles inspired by Nikola Tesla's coil designs, applying electromagnetic induction to harness and amplify electrical energy. It's meant to convert a small input into usable supplementary power. The creator got these secrets on energy saving by staying 4 years in Nikola Tesla's native village, Smiljan, where people are using Nikola's patented Bifilar pancake coil to reduce their entire electricity bill by 80%. That means you too can build a device that produces electricity you can actually use at home, potentially reducing your grid usage and your monthly bill. Affordable compared to solar wind installations. Instant digital access. No waiting for deliveries. Money-back guarantee gives a safety net. Cons: you're buying a blueprint, not a ready-made generator. You must build it yourself. Do I recommend it? If you're tired of rising energy bills and want to experiment with building your own power source, the Energy Revolution system might be worth a shot, especially since you can get a refund within 60 days if it doesn't deliver. Want to check it out for yourself? Hit the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.